Right, so this is your C final two-wheel drive. If we can have all the marshals out quick as we can, please. 10th on the grid is Joe Lewis. Then Ellis Gasson, he's gone home, I believe. Then we have Daniel Upton, Colin Bliss, Barry Fitzgerald, myself, Paul Sherwood, Paul Upton, Mark Tilbury, I'm going to beat you, and car one is Phil Cracknell. Yeah, you can't sing neither race, can you?
Drivers ready on the sound of the tone.
Fastest lap car 4, fastest lap car 6, fastest lap car 3. One minute into the race. First place car 4, second place car 6, third place car 3, fourth place car 7, and in fifth place car 8, fastest lap car 4. Fastest lap car 7. Change of leader to car 6. Fastest lap car 5. Change of leader to car 4. 2 minutes into the race. First place car 4, second place car 6, third place car 7, fourth place car 8, and in fifth place car 5. 3 minutes into the race. First place, car 4. Second place, car 7. Third place, car 6. Fourth place, car 8. And in 5th place, car 10. Car 5 about to be lapped. Car 1 about to be lapped. Car 3 about to be lapped. Four minutes into the race. First place, car 4. Second place, car 6. Third place, car 7. Fourth place, car 2. And in 5th place, car 8. Fastest lap, car 1. Car 10 about to be lapped. Two's finished. One's finished. Five's finished. 10's finished. 8's finished. 4's finished. 6 finished. 7's finished. Race over drivers, if we could have all the cars switched off please, and those with handout transponders return them please, and then all the drivers out to marshal, thank you. The result for this final is first place car 4, second place
Barry Fitzgerald,
third place car 2, fourth place
Phil Cracknell,
fifth place
Ian Knight,
6th place car 8, 7th place car 7, 8th place car 10, 9th place car 3, and in 10th place
Ellis Gasson,